What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a bike check because I got a broken wrist and I can't ride. So I got the Colt CC01 2012. Start up in the front and work my way to the back. I got the Colt Die Hard grips. Got the Animal gold bar ends, both sides. Got a rush brake lever, rush brake cord, a Colt stem, Colt bars. I like this stem. It's a nice stem. It's pretty heavy, but you know, it's a stock part. Got the Colt tinted tires, orange Colt rims, sealed Colt front hub, just a dice valve cap, Colt spokes. Got a Primo peg, Colt forks, Colt headset integrated, Colt 2012 frame. Got the Odyssey Twisted PCs, Colt forks, Chico Conspiracy half link in gold, 25 tooth Colt sprocket, 9 tooth Colt driver. Got the Colt one piece padded seat. It's not that soft, so I ordered a Colt Die Hard seat in orange pivotal. Got the rush brake mechanism because I have to ride brakes. Parents won't let me take them off. Colt tinted tires in back, back sealed hub, Colt spokes, Colt rim. Almost everything is Colt. Got the Primo tag in back again. Got the Colt cranks, sealed bottom bracket. I think that's everything. And I'll do a hub sound right now. So yeah, it's pretty loud. I like it. So yeah, that's my bike check video. Like it, comment, and subscribe for edits coming soon.